सो हाय बच्चों, आज हम लोग देखेंगे हाउ वी विल क्रिएट आवर ओन बैकड्रॉप इन स्प्राइट. So first select this sprite and we will go to tutorials. No, absolutely no. We will go to choose a sprite. यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे क्योंकि हमारा जो saved sprite है बेसिकली वो चाहिए, तो obviously वो नहीं चाहिए. Then we will go to paint. Yes or no? Yes, we will go to paint. Then we want to create our own sprite. तो sprite में let's choose the circle. Let's choose this square. This is our sprite now, for now only. और आप लोग को अच्छे अच्छे sprite बना रहे, you have to do a good sprite. Let's take how we will create our own backdrop. We'll go to backdrop section, search. No, because search में saved sprite आता है. Then paint. Yes or no? Yes, paint. So we will create our own. Let's take brown color. Is it brown? Yes. So, oh, this will not happen. Delete this. So we will go to paintbrush. There we will take some mountains. This mountain, ignore my drawing skills. Okay, and one tree. So this is a tree and this is the soil. Okay, so now change the color to green. So it is green and our leaves are green color. So our backdrop is created, and what is created? And this sprite is created. Okay, go to events. This one. See here, our sprite is selected. Okay, looks. He will give a look of hello. Yes. So we learned how we will create our own sprite and backdrop. Okay. So that's all for today. We'll catch up tomorrow.